welcome to my YouTube channel, it's Mangothao. Okay, today's video is gonna be an epic birthday haul of all the stuff I got and what other people got for me for my birthday. So let's just get into the video. So ever since summer has started, I've been working. So I haven't been in the sun to get my tan. So I bought the Tarte Brazilian Self Tanner. I got the kit with the mitt, and this will last me 2 to 3 weeks. From the MAC store, I picked up the Pro Longwear Foundation in the color NC35. Also from MAC, I picked up the Fix Plus Spray in the travel size to test it out if I like it or not. And I do love it. As you can tell, it's almost empty. Also got a new hair product for my hair. It is the Hans de Foucault, and it is the Claymation formula. It is certified organic extract and paraben free. This is the Super Hold, and it is a matte finish. It is like a wax, or what is it? A pomade, but a thicker version. So I got myself some new glasses online from classicspecs.com. And it is $89 even with free shipping, and this is how the glasses look like. It is just a standard nerd glasses. So yes. From eBay I picked up all these 6 makeup brushes. I was gonna test it out if they are dupes to the Real Technique brushes. This is not even the color that I ordered. I ordered the black and red, and they sent me the pink, which is a bummer. But I waited too long, almost a month for these, and I'm not gonna send it back and wait for another month. Then I got myself a small beauty blender dupe from eBay also. Then I finally picked up the Instant Age Rewind Dark Circle Eraser in the color Honey Mail and the brightener. The next item is from Coastal Scents. It is the 10 Concealer Shade Camouflage palette, and it is like this. Yeah, I use this for my makeup tutorial. And then the next palette is from BH Cosmetic. I got this from Urban Outfitter. It is the 6 color palette, contour and blush. Next item is from Sigma. I got it from Minnesota at the Sigma boutique. And it is the F80 brush. So far, I have used this twice, and the finishing, I think it's not worth the hype as how people rave about. I think it's just like another regular brush. To be honest, I love my e.l.f. small stippling brush over the F80 because the small stippling brush finishing is really nice. And this one, I have to give it a couple more tries to see if I like it or not. I finally picked up the second Chocolate Soleil in medium to deep matte bronzer because the first one is the light to medium. So I picked this up in the Sephora in Las Vegas, Nevada. Next item is also from Sephora, but I bought this back in the State. And it is the It's Potent Eye Cream by Benefit. And this is my eye cream I use for my morning. And it fades my dark circle. And it is awesome in a jar, so I highly recommend this product. I finally bit the bullet and bought the full size. So yes, I can't wait to open this. Next is my big splurge at Sephora. And I've been wanting this for ever since it came out, and I finally got the chance to pick it up, and it is the Clarisonic Mia 2 in the color white. I wanted it in black, but they didn't carry it in Las Vegas, Nevada like she said, so then I just picked up the white one, and it was $150. Also, they gave me a lot of free samples inside my bag. And then moving on to my Las Vegas souvenirs. Every state I go to, I collect postcard and throw it into my memory box. This is my Blue Man Group show for VIP and backstage. And here is the Blue Man's Kiss signature, which is pretty awesome. And then we did the VIP, so then we get to choose our free item. And I got this necklace. And this awesome t-shirt, which I think it's really nice and cute. And yeah, it was all free with our VIP. And then we attended the Jabberwocky show also, and we got this, the Jabberwocky drawstring book bag. And also we got a t-shirt, but the size is too big. I was gonna go ask them to exchange it for the smaller size, but I forgot, so I have to stick with the large. It just says Jabberwocky on a plain white t-shirt, and I'm just gonna be wearing this as a PJ. Then my first drink in Las Vegas without getting card was this 32 ounce or something. It was a pina colada slushy with 3 shots. And let me tell you, that shit sneaked up on me that night. Next is shot glasses. I got souvenirs for my siblings. This one is mine, the double shot. It says YouTube, MySpace, and I'll Google your Yahoo at Las Vegas. This is my shot glass also. Caution, what happens in Vegas stays on Facebook. Then my siblings are these. This is the Las Vegas sign. Las Vegas poker chip. Next shot glass is why limit happy hour to an hour, Las Vegas. Next shot glass is good girls go to heaven, bad girls go to Vegas. And then the last shot glass is just the standard Las Vegas, where they have all the casino and architecture of the buildings. And then my other souvenir is my Las Vegas picture frame that cost me $15. On my way back home from Las Vegas, I finally picked up a new Starbucks tumbler. This is the 24 ounce and it is $10.95. Next is my Louis Vuitton toiletry pouch 26. And it is so gorgeous. And I finally record my unboxing of it, so now I can finally use it. Thank the Lord. Next is my vintage Keep All 45 bandolier in the monogram print. My biggest purchase of all is my Mac Pro laptop. I told my brother and them not to take me to Nebraska Furniture Mart, which is a furniture store, and they have an Apple store inside of it. And I told them don't take me in there because I might just buy my Mac Pro book. So I end up getting it, as you can see, and I haven't even opened it yet. It's been a week already. So yes, I finally get to open it because I finally finished recording this video. Another stop in H&M. Got this pink short to wear for the summer. I was planning to wear that for Vegas, but I didn't even pack it. Then I got this black shorts right here, and it was on sale for $10, and it's very comfortable. I wear this a lot. This is my favorite short for the summer for sure. And then I also picked up this tapered athletic pants that it's hand down here, and it has a zipper. And this reminds me of the Adidas soccer pants, which is like $50, and I only got this for $10 from H&M, my favorite store. From Urban Outfitter, I got 2 items. Well, this one is from Las Vegas. I picked this up in Las Vegas, and I saw this pants online already, and I told myself that if I come back, when I come back to my hometown, I'm gonna get it. But I went to Vegas, and there was a Urban Outfitter on this trip. I picked up this pants without hesitating because I know I'm gonna get it no matter what. It is a patent leather jogger pants that it is tapered in the bottom, and this was $69, which is crazy for pants, but I wanted it so bad and it fits me like a glove, so I had to buy it. And plus, it's Vegas. Then from 21 Min, I picked up this laptop case. Original price is $22 and it was 50% off. So I paid $12.50 for this. Then from Urban Outfitter, I picked up these cute gladiator sandals right here. Original price for these are $39, but it was on sale for $20, so can't beat that. And they're very cute, and it's black, which is my favorite color. Also from Urban Outfitter, I finally picked up a power bank, which is a portable charger. It claims to be 3 hours of charging, and yes, the power bank does what it says in the fine print right here. And I got the color black and white, you know already. So then, moving on to my shoe hoarding. These 3 pairs of shoes are Roshi's, and they're the new Nike Roshi's that came out this year. The first pair that I got myself is the black and white pair, as you can see, and these were for $70 in kid size. So I am thankful that I fit kid size shoes because I get it, my shoes for cheaper. And then my next one is the Atomic Orange and Wolf Gray one, and this is how this one looks like. And it is very, very gorgeous. I love how there is the pop of orange and the gray. And I love this shoe to death. I keep my shoes very clean, as you can see. Only the bottom is dirty. And the edges right here are clean, because I am a clean freak. And my new latest pair are these right here that my sister got me for my 21st birthday. They are gorgeous. This is how they look like. They're red and gray with white and a hint of pink right there, as you can see. These were for $84, and then plus tax is like $87. And I can't wait to wear these. Even though they're not the red ones that I want, these are still unique because I'm not seeing anybody wear these yet. And I can't wait to rock them. So yeah, I think that's all for my epic birthday haul. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.